used to make games. Just small indie projects. But man, it was a blast. Arena shooters, party games, brick breaker, you name it. But then, life happened. I went to college, became a computer engineer, and dived into other things. But now, it's time to get back in the game. No more excuses. I'm firing up the engine again. And I decided to build this new game in public right here on this channel. First step, relearning Unity with all its new chains. I mean, how hard can it be, right? And then, a series of disasters struck. First, a major security vulnerability in Unity forced me to completely reinstall the editor. During that chaos, my SSD died. The final boss appeared. My computer shut down right in the middle of a BIOS update. So, before rebuilding the project that I lost, I decided to do a quick experiment on a new mechanic that came to mind. First, we'll select the 2D template in Unity and name the project. Cape Shooter Arcade Ultra Mega Fun. Let's break down the core mechanic. Our player is a hexagon and it has a separate weapon socket on each of its 6 sides. By pressing a key, the player can rotate these sockets in a circular pattern around the character. First up, I drew my hexagon character in Sprite and then jumped into Unity to add a collider. I set up the code to use Unity's new input system and got everything hooked up. And now we have movement. Pretty cool, I guess. Next, I implemented the socket system to let the weapons rotate around the character. After designing this quick and incredibly high quality weapon, it's time for a test.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
The weapon sockets are now working flawlessly. So, let's add the ability to shoot and move on to the next feature without any issues. Okay, now the weapons can actually fire. This means the player can place them on different sockets to create their own tactics. Time to draw an epic enemy with my masterful art skills. I think an angry face is enough to show he's the bad guy, right? I coded the enemy to always move towards the player's position. There is absolutely nothing that can go wrong. I think I fixed that issue. And now we can destroy the enemy when a bullet hits it.
You are my sunshine.
Time for a power trip. Let's spawn a bunch of enemies in the arena. They are pushing each other around, making them easy targets. Let's fix that by... Maybe I should increase the enemy's health a bit. After increasing the weapon's fire rate, the basic gameplay loop is pretty much done. I wanted to incorporate the socket switching mechanic into the weapons themselves. So I decided to design a shotgun and got the art done. The shotgun works like this. If the player quickly reverses the rotation direction within half a second, the shotgun fires. If they just keep rotating in one direction, it won't do anything. And with that, we have another weapon in the game. It fires a spread of 3 bullets and is super effective at killing enemies at close range. It can be used in different tactical combos with other weapons and socket positions. When all the sockets are fitted with shotguns, it becomes a truly devastating force. Let's combine the 2 weapons and see how effective they are against enemies. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe.